What's up guys, and welcome again to New Tech Tips, and it's nice to have you back on my channel. So for some of you that has been asking me how you can make your logo, have a kind of transparent background, then this video is for you. And I'll be showing you a very simple tip and a very simple method that you can use to make your logo transparent in just few clicks online. So the first thing you need to do is to come to your browser and just search, make image transparent online. Then on the result pages, you want to find this particular one, remove background from image. Of course guys, I've tested quite a lot of these tools. As you can see, we have a whole lot of them. We have this one, online PNG tools, Lunapic and all that. But for me, I've seen better results using this one, remove.bg. So you just go right ahead and click on that. So the next thing you want to do is to upload your image right here, and you can as well drag your image to the front of the website to have things done. So just go right and upload that image. Okay, so we'll just use this one right here. Okay, so it's preparing to upload an image, and here we have it. The image is already uploaded. So guys, we just go right ahead to download an image. This is the output of the image. You are having this kind of result because of the way the logo or the text was designed. So I just go straight ahead to download. We can as well download in high definition. I think that's a paid service, so we just go with the free one, which is download, and then we have our logo in transparent form. So you can use that as your logo. You can use that in your project or in any places that you need to make use of a transparent logo. So guys, that's it on how to make your logos transparent online in just few clicks. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one.